Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, I have religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Then I have finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So, guys, already, this is talking about Aries. If you were dealing with someone from your past, this is basically what they're going through. Cross-watcher, you could be dealing with an Aries that's going through this. But basically, what I'm seeing here is that somebody messed up with you guys. And it's like they want to come back to talk to you to see if they can work something out. But honestly, they know that they messed up so bad to the point where they're like, it's no return. But I feel like they're still gonna try. They do feel like you deserve better because of what they have done, the things that they have said. I do feel like they are going through a transformation here, but there's something going on with this person's finances or career. Like, I don't know if someone lost a job, they're trying to find, work now, or even if they are working, there's something going on with this person's finances. So, like, somebody could be draining them. If something's going on, so let's just hop in. Let's see what happens. Okay, Spirit. What messages do you have for my Aries? Okay, guys, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Empress reverse. So, see what I'm saying? Somebody feels like they're not going to have a beginning with you, a new beginning with you. I told you, they messed up. Yep, the seeds that they planted with you, they feel like it's not going to grow. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius, but if not, I feel like this person wants to balance things out with you. They want to come back to correct something that they messed up. Tell me more. But right now, they're not taking a leap. Okay. They're frustrated, but I do see them trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. Okay. But they're back and forth with the Wheel of Fortune. So, they know that they want to move forward with you, but I feel like there's something going on their end to the point where this is why they're not moving forward. And it could be something pertaining to their finances. So, let's see. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I do feel like this person knows that they hurt you. See, there's two women here. So, this person put you in some type of third-party situation. So, whether it's with an ex, or it could be like a family member. But there's somebody here, and I'm going to tell you. Remember I just said this person has been having issues with their finances. Look at that. This person, it could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I do feel like whoever this person is, they were draining them financially. And now they don't want to deal with this person. Like, now it's like they're learning their lesson. They're not trying to give this person any more time, effort, or energy. They are regretting their decisions because they want to work things out with you. But see, this person knows that they hurt you. And this is why they're weighing up their options, trying to figure out how to even come back towards you. Tell me more. Yep, because they want to have a victory with you, Aries. Okay. But see, they were in a codependent situation with that third party. And see, they're going to remove themselves from this third party situation. But they know that you're disappointed in them. They know it. That's why, that's why there's an emphasis with finances, see? They don't have a peace of mind with what they did to you. But then at the same time, they don't have a peace of mind with their finances because of this third-party individual. Let's see. And this is why they're moving slow. This is exactly why they're moving slow to come towards you. Because they're afraid that you're not going to give them a new opportunity to make things right. But see, they want to speak their truth to you. Even though I do feel like the truth did come out. So they're afraid that if they do speak their truth to you, I'm telling you, you're not going to give them another chance. And this is why it's like you had to walk away from them because the person that some of you guys were dealing with, they were toxic. you know. But for others of you, if this is, you know, this is your person, it's kind of like this person put themselves in a toxic situation, and see, they have to walk away from it in order to have this new beginning with you. And see, they're trying to have the strength to do so, and they're trying to have the strength to come back towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody also could be dealing with a Leo. But I do know that this person isn't happy with their decisions. They're not. Because, see, they didn't balance things out with you. They know you were the one doing everything, putting in all the work, and they didn't. See, it's like they want to balance things out with you, but at the same time, they feel like it's not going to happen because they were given to someone else. And that's why their finances are the way that it is. And they feel like things may not improve with you, and this is why they're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but it's like, I feel like this person had other options in the past. And they're right now, they're trying to figure out the best way to approach the situation with you. They're trying to figure out, okay, the best way to get out of this codependent situation with this individual. But then they're also trying to figure out, how should I approach Aries, or cross-watcher Aries is trying to figure out how should they approach you with this situation. Because, see, they want things to improve, but they know that they ghosted you and left you out in the cold, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you, this person that they were with left them out in the cold financially. So that, you know, it's like an even exchange. What they did to you, it hit them, I feel like, 10 times harder. And see, they're afraid if they come to you that you're going to walk away from them, and they don't want that to happen. They don't want you to leave them. Tell me more. But see, somebody's not putting in the work. Whoever messed up, they're not putting in the work right now. Because see, every time they want to say something to you, they don't. So it's like now they're trying to use their intuition. Oh, we're not doing that. They're trying to use their intuition, I feel like, to come towards you. But see, they do want to communicate how they feel about you. They want to let you know what was happening, but at the end of the day, because they messed up, they feel like you're not going to take them back. They feel like the damage has been done. See, if they come and give you this offer, they feel like you're not going to take it. Tell me more. Oh, gosh. What is happening? Okay, so somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but they're just scared. I'm picking up fear. This person is scared, but they're going to come and speak their truth because they're coming out of feeling trapped. They're coming out of feeling stuck. They're coming out of being sad. So they're going to come and talk to you. But see, right now they're dragging their feet because I feel like they did take a financial loss by them getting out of this relationship or this marriage, whatever their situation is. This person that they were dealing with was basically trying to go after their finances, and they know it, and that's why there's been this hold up. But also, this person is scared that you don't want to have a commitment with them. Some of you guys, excuse me, could be dealing with a Taurus. But see, this person knows that they were being very immature and childish towards you in the past. Tell me more. But see, when they come towards you, they're basically trying to have confidence. See, they're going to come and speak their truth to you. If there's been no communication, they're going to open a line of communication to let you know that they want a new opportunity. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person loves you. They want to express their love, express how they feel, because they know that they broke your heart, putting you in some type of third-party situation. And they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Even though this person is trying to hold on to hope, they feel like you don't want to build with them. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, see? They feel like you don't want to have this family dynamic with them anymore. Everything that you guys talked about in the past, they feel like it's over. But this person wants to have this happy home with you still. Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries, but I feel like this person wants stability with you, but they feel like you're not going to give them another a new beginning. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but this person, I'm just more so feeling like they're going through changes. And see, they're just not positive that you're going to take them back because of what they did. Yep, they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them for everything that they did to you in the past. But see, they're worried. They can't sleep. And they're having a hard time. But see, they're taking it day by day to come towards you. But see, they're going to rush back in to speak their truth. And see, they're going to give you this offer that you deserve. They're coming back, Aries. But they're afraid that you're going to let them go for good. Yep, they're done. And see, that's 210. So whatever karmic cycle that you guys were going through is coming to an end. There's some type of new beginning that is going to start. But this person isn't content with how they left things between the two of you, and they are afraid of their finances right now. For some of them, they are going through a legal situation. There could be like a court situation going on. You guys could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Yeah, see, for those that's going, you know that someone's going through like a legal situation, I do feel like they were waiting on some type of judgment, and I feel like a decision was made. But see, I feel like somebody has to pay. This is why there's such an emphasis on money, and this is why this person is sad. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but they don't want to argue. It's like they're tired. They're tired. See, this person definitely was being sneaky in the past, Aries, and now they're cleaning up their act. It's like they're coming out of their head. They're coming out of inner conflict. They're tired of basically self-sabotaging. And I feel like, yeah, they're coming out of being frustrated within themselves, but see, they're going to give you an offer, but they're afraid that you're going to reject it. Yep, they're scared that things aren't going to improve, and so this person is keeping an eye on you. Aries, this could be you just not being positive about this person, you know, if and when they do come back. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I do feel like somebody wants to come in to give you a stable offer. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but this person is going through lessons. And now they're sitting back thinking about everything that has taken place. See what I'm saying? There's 2 9s. That karmic cycle definitely did come to an end. This person is getting out of their head, coming out of feeling left behind. But see, they're afraid that if they come to you, you're like the Queen of Swords. You're going off on them. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But somebody's stuck trying to make a decision if they want this commitment or not. Because the person that messed up, they want to make things right with you. But I feel like you guys, yep, look, undecided. Y'all are undecided about what to do. And it's like your guard is up at this point. But Ace of Wands is here. This person that messed up wants a new beginning with you. So it's like, are you going to give them a chance?